Welcome to Touch to Click. In this video, I will show you how to clear cache in PC quickly and easily so you can free up space and improve your computer's performance. Now let's get started. Step 1. Click on the Start button at the bottom left corner of your screen and type Disk Cleanup. Then open the Disk Cleanup app. Disk Cleanup is a built-in Windows tool that helps you remove unnecessary files safely. Step 2. Select the drive you want to clean, usually the C drive, and click OK. The C drive is where most of your system files and cache are stored, so cleaning it can make your PC run smoother. Step 3. In the Disk Cleanup window, check the boxes for temporary files, thumbnails, and other cache items you want to remove. These files take up space and are safe to delete because they can be recreated by the system when needed. Step 4. Click OK and then click Delete Files to clear the selected cache from your PC. This will remove the unnecessary files and free up storage on your computer. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.